This is a shout out to two of my friends. My friend Brad at Burkle Cerakote was liquidating some of his knife collection. This knife right here is a Schrade, I hope I said that right, old timer. It's a pretty knife. I believe it was a magnet fishing find that he restored and sharpened and did great work on it. I was trying to transfer money to my Cash App to purchase it, and when I got back there, my buddy Greg, the chop shop and whatnot, had purchased it and a couple of other knives. And I said, "Man, you beat me, Greg." And the first thing he said was, "Brad, send it to Joe." So I was gifted this knife from a really good friend, and it was restored by a really good friend. So I am digging this. It's pretty cool. Thank you, guys.